Hormesis has emerged as one of the most fascinating and encouraging concepts in longevity research, offering a counterintuitive but deeply positive perspective on how stress can actually enhance life and vitality. Unlike chronic or overwhelming stress, which accelerates aging and damages the body, hormesis refers to mild, controlled stressors that trigger adaptive responses in cells and tissues. These small challenges, whether in the form of exercise, intermittent fasting, temperature extremes like cold exposure, or even certain plant compounds, stimulate the body's defense mechanisms, making it more resilient to disease and age-related decline. What is particularly uplifting about hormesis is that it shows aging does not have to be a passive, downward trajectory. By embracing these small, intentional stressors, we can actively strengthen our biology and enhance both lifespan and health span. One of the most striking examples of hormesis is found in exercise. When muscles are stressed through activity, microscopic damage occurs that signals the body to repair and fortify tissues, improve cardiovascular function, and boost metabolic efficiency. Similarly, the mild stress induced by intermittent fasting or caloric restriction activates cellular repair pathways, enhances autophagy, the process by which cells clear damaged components, and improves insulin sensitivity. These mechanisms help protect against chronic disease, reduce inflammation, and support overall longevity. The exciting part is that the body's response is not just defensive, it is transformative. Mild stress encourages adaptation, making the body stronger, more efficient, and more resilient over time. Cold exposure, another form of hormetic stress, has been shown to activate brown adipose tissue, enhance metabolism, and stimulate anti-inflammatory pathways. Brief exposure to lower temperatures challenges the body just enough to provoke adaptive changes, improving circulation, boosting energy expenditure, and even enhancing mood through the release of endorphins and other signaling molecules. Likewise, certain plant-based compounds such as polyphenol and other bioactive molecules can act as mild stressors at the cellular level, stimulating antioxidant defenses and fortifying DNA repair systems. Across these examples, the common theme is that the body thrives when gently challenged, adapting to become more resilient and capable. Perhaps the most inspiring aspect of hormesis is its universality and accessibility. These mild stressors do not require extreme effort, expensive equipment, or invasive interventions. A brisk daily walk, a short cold shower, or a few hours of intermittent fasting can produce measurable benefits, making this approach both practical and empowering. Even small, consistent efforts accumulate over time, gradually enhancing the body's capacity to handle larger stressors and reducing vulnerability to age-related diseases. This demonstrates that longevity is not only a matter of genetics or luck, it is something we can actively cultivate through intentional, mindful lifestyle choices. Hormesis also has a profound positive impact on mental resilience and emotional well-being. Facing controlled challenges and adapting to them, whether physical or mental, can increase confidence, improve stress tolerance, and foster a sense of mastery over one's body and environment. This psychological component reinforces the physical benefits, creating a feedback loop in which increased resilience promotes healthier aging across multiple systems. By embracing mild challenges, individuals not only strengthen their cells, but also develop a mindset that supports long-term vitality, curiosity, and engagement with life. The concept of hormesis elegantly illustrates that longevity is not simply about avoiding stress or discomfort, but about how we interact with the challenges we face. It reframes certain difficulties as opportunities for growth, adaptation, and renewal. Exercise, intermittent fasting, cold exposure, and other hormetic practices are essentially invitations to work with the body's natural capacity for self-repair and enhancement. They remind us that aging does not have to be a period of inevitable decline, but can instead be a dynamic process in which each choice, each small challenge, and each adaptation strengthens the foundation for a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Ultimately, the study of hormesis offers a profoundly positive vision for aging. It shows that the body is not fragile or static, but resilient, adaptive, and capable of thriving when guided with intention. By integrating hormetic practices into daily life, we can stimulate cellular defenses, improve metabolic and cardiovascular health, enhance mental resilience, and actively shape the trajectory of our own longevity. In this sense, hormesis transforms aging into an opportunity, a chance to grow stronger, smarter, and more vibrant through the very challenges that we sometimes might otherwise avoid. It is a compelling reminder that the path to a longer, healthier life is not about eliminating all stress, but about embracing the right kinds of stress in ways that empower the body and mind to flourish.